Slang number 36. The phrase is,
At have rotter på loftet.
it means, to be crazy.
At have rotter på loftet.
This literally means to have rats in the attic. For example,
Han må have rotter på loftet.
that means, he must be crazy. Use it when someone's acting totally bonkers. Slang number 37. The phrase is,
At have sommerfugle i maven.
it means, to have butterflies in your stomach.
At have sommerfugle i maven.
It describes feeling nervous or excited. For example,
Jeg har sommerfugle i maven før eksamen.
that means, I have butterflies in my stomach before the exam. Slang number 38. The phrase is,
Det er ingen ko på isen.
it means, there's no problem.
Det er ingen ko på isen.
Literally, there's no cow on the ice. For example,
Tag det roligt. Der er ingen ko på isen.
that means, relax, there's no problem. Slang number 39. The phrase is,
Klap lige hesten.
it means, calm down.
Klap lige hesten.
Literally, pet the horse. But it really means take it easy. For example,
Klap lige hesten. Vi har god tid.
that means, hold your horses, we have plenty of time. Slang number 40. The phrase is,
Det blæser en halv pelikan.
it means, it's very windy.
Det blæser en halv pelikan.
This funny expression literally means it's blowing half a pelican. For example,
Det blæser en halv pelikan i dag.
that means, it's very windy today. Use it when the wind feels like it could carry you away. Slang number 41. The phrase is,
At sluge en kamel.
it means, to accept something unpleasant.
At sluge en kamel.
This phrase is used when you have to accept something that's hard to swallow, like admitting you were wrong. For example,
Jeg måtte sluge en kamel og sige undskyld.
that means, I had to swallow a camel and apologize. Use it when you have no choice but to deal with something uncomfortable, like facing your mistakes. Slang number 42. The phrase is,
Stå med håret i postkassen.
it means, to be caught red-handed.
Stå med håret i postkassen.
Literally, stand with your hair in the mailbox. For example,
Han stod med håret i postkassen, da chefen kom ind.
that means, he was caught red-handed when the boss came in. Use it when someone gets busted doing something wrong or embarrassing, just like getting caught with your hand in the cookie jar.